that the first time it's gone into gear? 4 cylinders! Never get some speed. Yeah, I've got 50 k's an hour. Yeah, well, it's not calibrated.
At idle in second, we're doing 50 k's.
Idle at seconds, 50 k's, but it's got an input. That's all I need. And you'll notice the fuel pump. It's quiet. Yeah, it's quiet. Can you hear that? It idles.
Lovely.
So tell us about those injectors. Well, we tested them the other day.
Yep.
And they squirted
got
fuel.
flowed.
No, they tested on the bench, on the car. They squirted fuel. You took them out. They went away.
Yep, that sent away.
And
Flow tested. One came back 6% richer than the other, but all of them flowed perfectly.
we put them in the car this morning.
No go. And different ones weren't working. Yeah. So
Out came a set of second-hand S15. Put it in the hole.
and they go.
Set a computer. Voila.
Woohoo.
4 cylinders.
Don't forget the fuel pump.
And a fuel pump. Yeah, listen. Turn the key on. Listen to that. Oh, I should lie underneath there and listen to it, eh?
You should do.
So we took this pump out. Took that one away.
Can you even hear the other one? New one?
And you can see I've still got it just bridged up. You turn that key on. You don't actually hear the lift pump at all. It's only in the main pump that you hear.
Is the lift pump even going?
Yes, the lift pump is going.
So smooth. No key on.
Oh, look at that. Didn't even need. Not bad because it's got no idle speed yet. Haven't set that up. Woo-hoo-hoo. Link ECU, Speed Hut gauges, and Motec. Oh, there's it. Motec PDM, right there. That thing. That one. I'm going away for the weekend now.